Okay, we're now on YouTube. This is a dummy domain. It's a dummy YouTube account. It's got no authority, no anything. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what happens. So upload video. Okay, we're here. Let's go ahead and click this. And now I'm going to upload my first video, which is Emergency Plumbing City Centre. That's now uploading. Okay, and whilst that's uploading, let's go back to Video Marketing Planner. Click on this one, and I'm now just going to copy and paste all of that text. So this is going to go there. We're going to put this there. Okay, we're now going to put in the thumbnail, which is this. Okay, no, it's not made for kids. Click on age restrictions, more options, and this is where you can see free tags. I'm just going to delete all of that. And the tags is this is what you copy in. Let's copy that in like so. Okay, and there we go. And now that is basically everything. So let's go ahead and click next, next, set it to public, publish. Okay, and boom. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly upload the other two videos just so I don't bore you, but it's the exact same process as this. So give me 2 seconds and I'll be back. Okay, so here are the 3 videos. I've uploaded them. It took no time at all. You can see all 3 different videos that we created. You've seen the whole process with me. You've seen absolutely everything. But the moment of truth is, are they going to be ranking #1?